Welcome to Reminder&Discover Trade. Okay, let's take a quick look at today's update. And we have in here, let's pray first. We thank the Lord Jesus for today's opportunity to look at quick moves in the market and maximum profit as possible. Let's do this. Okay, let's look at the trending market right here. This is where the market actually resting at right now, and we have a uptrend move, and we'll have our correction move a little bit down, and impulse again, a correction, and impulse again. Market was looking good with impulse and correction, and we have our correction here again, and he broke through the trend and go sideways a little bit and come back and retest and went back sideways again and hit the same level again and goes down a little bit, and we're seeing more of the sideways move right here. I'm going to move it to make it show clearly, but let's look at what happened here. This is a very trending market. Impulse, correction, and the trend was broken. That's what we're looking for. Let's look at it clearly. This is where the trend was broken, and we have the same zone, which is the resistance level, hit it twice. That is it. So we'll be taking our second trade right here. This is a retest trading strategy. So the market has a second touch right here, and we will jump in right here to make a 1:1.5 and waiting, and our indicators are confirming that the market is truly getting overbought and it's time to sell. So you can see at the bottom also our indicator at the bottom also going down as well, telling us everything is good. Match confirmation, maximum 3 confirmation, you are good to go. And that is our simple strategy, and we're getting in on these 2 candles, 1 2 1 2. We're getting there before even the red candle show up. We're getting in there, and we're watching at the market going sideways a lot. We may probably not stay in this trade that much long, but let's take a look. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the sell on that market. That we sell in the market right here, and we have a little bit of a tight stop loss on this one. You can see clearly that it's actually not up to the take profit, so then go sideways. We're not going to wait in the market for all this while because it's taking too much long time, so we need to get out. So we get out somewhere around here or somewhere around here, but we still take something small home, so that's pretty awesome. It's not zero, so it's okay. Scalping strategy, taking something minor, it's also a cool idea. Okay, this market was actually looking good on a selling out. When you look at it very well on this point, you can see the market have a resistance level at the top right here, the top here, in the support level was right here, and we see the couple of touches. The market was going sideways. You can see if it was a trending market, we would see more highs and all those stuff. The market would keep going up and up, but market was going sideways, so we look for a point that we could probably have a sell. So we have our first touches, they were very close, and we get in the second one here, and we were able to get in with some profit. It's taking too much long time, so we get out before it hit the take profit. That's also okay, and this is also potential one you can get in because it's the same level. It's hitting and turning again, but it's later it's not confirming. So this might be your own risk. You might probably don't take this according to this strategy. This is where you take it. You see the market went up and it's about to sell again. The confirmation all made, and you sell in here. You can see it went to the take profit so quickly, and that was so good. We're looking to see more of those moves in the market, and this also look good when you look at it from the previous point of view, that the market was actually resting there and all the confirmation was met, indicate that at the bottom was going down, and we have the 2 top being touched. That's the resistance level, and everything, we have a huge bearish candle, and everything was met, and the market went down very well. And you can see clearly the market was having a good support level here, and you may probably take a buy on any of these touches. We have a first touches here, and this is the second touch breaking through, and this is the following one. Either this one or this one will be a very profitable one to take, or even this huge bullish candle showing that the market is about to get bullish. It's also very good, but it might take a long time to hit the take profit, but you might take a little profit and get out quick as possible. Don't delay and waste time in the market more than 3 hours. Stay in 1.5 hours, 2 hours, you are out of it. You are good to go with this strategy. And you can see we have a very good time here, that the market having a very good time, going very uptrend that we can see. Let's quickly look at what's happening here. That we have our first touch here, and this is the second touch. This could be a good point to get in when you see market get breaking the previous resistance level. This is a good point to get in, or you can wait and get in exactly as we get in here, seeing that the market is getting more bullish. And here we go. We didn't hit the take profit, but we take some small profit before the market went up, because it actually take a long time resting here before coming down. So we take some profit there and wait and get in the next one. The next one take less than an hour to hit the take profit. And this is a very good trade. We're looking for more of that. And you can look at what happened previously, that the market have a very good resistance level, and things keep repeating itself. Our history repeats itself a lot in this market. You can see this was the resistance level, and we were able to get a successful trade here. This is one, and this is the second one here. We get in this one. It takes a longer time, so we get out of the market before the market hit the take profit. But the second trade went very successfully. You can see right there that we were measuring from this point. That was where we were able to catch this one, because already the third confirmation was already down, but we went in and it went very well because of the previous lower lows we were seeing. Market keep going down and sideways, so we keep that thing on that strategy, and it works very well. And the opposite of it is this one, that the indicator at the bottom was going up, those later, and we have our quick spike down, and we see that the market was about to rise up a little bit, and we see everything was met, and we're getting on that one also. We make 1:1.5 very fast on that as possible, and it takes a little longer time for some of the trade to be successful. But when you see taking too much long time, get out. Don't stay in it. Don't waste much time on the 5-minute scalping strategy. This is our support level, and this is our resistance level. Everything is looking good. You can see it hit it before, and even when it wasn't up there, you can wait for that. You can wait. This may probably give you a direction of the market, not making a higher high. So it's still a seller's market till it went back to the same zone again and sell off with this huge shooting star candle. You can see the market's about to get bearish. So you wait to see much confirmation, and here is a confirmation that the market is about to sell. And we saw here, and we made a profit, and it went up to the same zone again, and it was this huge sellout again, and we get in on this one also. It also went very well. That's by the time frame, taking a little longer time frame, but you can get out with some profit and keep waiting to see more of those things and get in as possible. So we have a very good market here. The same thing happening, that the market was actually going sideways. So you look for what happened more, and the overall trend of this market is bearish, but it goes sideways on the smaller time frame. So you look for point being heated and looking for 3 confirmation so that you can get in. And here we go with the confirmation. The market was bearish with a huge bearish candle. Market was going sideways, and it was later also going down. So those are the 3 confirmation. We saw the market there, and it takes a long time frame to do that. So we get out. This wasn't a good trade. The following one was a very good one, but the market actually have a support level which was very close, and we get in on that one, and we make a profit out of that. I think this was our previous trade on the last update, and we were able to catch profit right here when we see this market doing this thing on this candle. We didn't waste time on this trade. We just take some profit. It wasn't that much, but we just get out. We can wait all this long while. So we get on this one real quick and get in back again here and take some profit as we see this following one. That the market to rest in the same place again. They might be a little bit push up, so we get out as we see this, and this follows. It's possible. It's not all the time the same, but on average it happens very often. So we base decision on that. We get out of the market. Let's see what's happening in the market right now, if we can actually sell the market, because the market, it's actually on a little bit of uptrend, and the uptrend is being broken. So we're looking for a sell in this market right now. We can see the trend previously. You can see the trend. This was the first touch. This is the second touch. This is the third touch that got broken. The market goes sideways. It can still get bullish. But we're looking for a quick sell in the market right now. We're looking for a quick sell, but our indicator at the bottom does not advise that anyway. But still, if we see any good bearish huge candle selling out, we will probably sell. But we expect the market to go up again, hit the resistance level, and then we can probably have a good sell. Or the market is still bullish. This might probably be a time of distribution. So the market is distributing. After distribution, the market will continue the uptrend up. So we're looking for that also as well, because the market keep resting exactly here, and you can see a little bit higher than that, and the same thing again. And you can see this place was exact point again. And if we have a huge a bullish candle right here, it could probably also mean that the market will get more bullish. So we must look for a buy in this market. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do follow.